There are multiple options to share your content with Blog2Social. Video content is increasingly significant and more social media platforms are focusing on it. Sharing videos helps you to expand your reach, as well as to get more exposure and engagement, which can increase your number of followers on social media. In this video, I show you how to publish and share videos on and across multiple video platforms quickly and efficiently. How to share videos on social media. To use the new video post feature, please click on Share Videos or Share New Video Post. Here you have two options for sharing your videos. To share a video by link, you can simply enter a video link, for example, from YouTube. To upload a video from your device, or to share a video from your WordPress media library by clicking on Share on Video Networks next to it. If you upload a video from your WordPress media gallery, Blog2Social automatically imports the title and description into the post templates for your social media posts. You can optionally customize and tailor this text for each social platform individually, for example, add more hashtags or specific ones, or add a more detailed video description with links for YouTube. Now you can click on Share to share your video, including your customized headline and text on your selected networks. As you can see, your video post is perfectly formatted, for example, for your YouTube channel. Please note that each platform supports different video file formats. You will find links to more detailed instructions and the supported file formats for each platform in the video description. Follow us for more videos and instructions, and don't forget to give this video a like.